Have you ever tried setting up WhatsApp on a new phone and received this message? This account can't use WhatsApp. Or this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Sometimes you may also see a notification saying that your chats are still on another device or that your number has been banned. If this happens, don't worry. This video will guide you through the reasons and the solutions. When you receive the message, this account can't use WhatsApp, it means that your phone number has been restricted or banned from using WhatsApp. This action is usually taken when WhatsApp detects activities that may violate their term of service. And there are several reasons why your number might be banned, including violating WhatsApp's terms of service, using unofficial or third-party applications such as GB WhatsApp or WhatsApp Plus. You can also be reported or blocked by multiple users, or engaging in a spam or suspicious activity, and many more. So if your number is banned, you won't be able to create or access a WhatsApp account using that number until the issue is resolved. Anytime you use another phone or another SIM, the same message will still come. If you want to solve this matter once and for all, you open your Google and type www.whatsapp.com and search for it. So here, we are going to appeal the decision if truly it was by mistake. Here you are going to scroll down to the bottom page and you click here on Contact Us. Still click on Contact Us. Scroll a little bit down. Click on this US to choose your country. And then on the right side to enter your phone number. After this, you scroll down and also you add your Gmail address. And also you confirm the Gmail address, because when WhatsApp will reply to you, they will send you a message on Gmail, and you have to see their decision. So you choose the device you are using. So mine is Android. If you are using iPhone, you choose iPhone and all the rest. Also here you are going to write a short message to WhatsApp. So for example, we can say, "Hi WhatsApp team, my phone number has been banned from WhatsApp by mistake. Please, can you kindly review and fix this issue? Thank you." When you finish typing, click on Next Step. Here, just click on Send Question. As you can see, your question has been sent, and WhatsApp says, "Thank you for contacting WhatsApp support. We will get back to you shortly by email." So guys, in few minutes you have to go back to your Gmail and check if they have already answered. As you can see guys, they have replied me only after 2 minutes. So let me open and see what they have said. WhatsApp says, "I'm here to help you. If you see the message, this account can't use WhatsApp. It is likely because we have identified account activity that might violate our terms of service. You can request a review in the app to appeal the ban. To do this, open WhatsApp and tap Request Review on the same screen where you see the message. If you don't see the option to request a review, it means the ban is final and can't be appealed." So I'll just go straight to WhatsApp and try what they have said and see. Click on agree and continue, and then choose the number you want to use on WhatsApp. As you can see guys, WhatsApp still says this account can't use WhatsApp, but below there is a request review option, so I'm going to click on it and see. As you can see guys, account in review, so let's wait and see. A message that account review completed. Let me check and see. Hip 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 hooray! This account can now use WhatsApp. So guys, that's it. So now guys, verify your account fast and start enjoying your WhatsApp. If you want to avoid getting banned again, please make sure to observe and also follow WhatsApp's terms of services and community guidelines. Do not use unofficial WhatsApp applications, even GB WhatsApp and all the other ones. WhatsApp will detect very soon, they will still ban it. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.